Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name's Haley. Today I'm going to be doing a Trader Joe's haul. I am so excited to be doing this because I'm so excited that we got to go to Trader Joe's. So as I've mentioned in previous hauls before, the nearest Trader Joe's to me is about 30 miles or so. And the last time that we went over there, we always go to Costco and Trader Joe's and Chipotle. And then sometimes like other stores like Home Goods or things that are like in that little shopping center. But last time we went, the line was super long and we had already been at Costco and it was just a long day, so we decided not to wait in the line. But today, we only went to Costco and got 2 items. We literally just got butter and milk, so I'm not filming a haul for that. But we decided to go to Trader Joe's. So, and they had a ton of their Christmassy, like, candies and goodies out. So, let me take you down to the counter and show you what I got for a total of $47. So here's a quick overview of everything that we got. Pretty much the only like normal thing are these 2 things. Everything else were like treat items. So we can start with the 2 kind of more boring items, I guess you would say. And I'll be popping up prices for everything. This is the Trader Joe's hash browns. These are my absolute favorite in the air fryer there. It makes them just nice and crispy and delicious. I love making breakfast burritos with them on the side of like an egg sandwich. I mean, it's like a McDonald's hash brown, but like better. And an air fryer is healthier than like deep frying them. So I really enjoy them. Walmart has like the same like style ones, but I just prefer the Trader Joe's ones. So I picked that up. And then I picked up the everything but the bagel seasoning. The last time that I went to Trader Joe's, I didn't pick this up because I picked up like the seasoning for my bulk section of WINCO, but I'm almost out, so I decided to pick up another one because I don't know when the next time will be. We might not get to Trader Joe's before the end of the new year. I don't know. It's kind of just going to depend on next year and what it looks like. But this time, just Trader Joe's is so crazy busy that it's sometimes just not worth it, you know? So let's go over now all of like the treat stuff. So picked up sliced French brioche bread. This is so good to make French toast with. I absolutely love it. The only like annoying thing about it, I've mentioned before, is like pulling off all the paper, but it's a nice thick like hearty French toast. The last time that I made it, I just made this whole loaf for just my boyfriend and I, and then we had leftovers for it. I think the next morning, or we might have froze it, but it's just so good and so sweet. I haven't actually ate it like by itself, so I don't know if it's good that way, but it's good like French toast. Picked this up. I think this is going to be something my boyfriend will probably enjoy. I might try it, but just the smell of it is so strong that I only can imagine the taste being super, super strong. This is the maple streusel bread, and it just, I mean, it looks good, but like I said, it's super sweet. I don't know if maybe I could try making French toast out of this, and seeing if that's any good, but to me, this is just so sweet. I don't know if that I would enjoy it very much, but we picked that up. Picked this up. This is the chocolate peppermint loaf and baking mix. To me, a chocolate peppermint loaf just sounds really weird. Like maybe if it said chocolate peppermint bread or chocolate peppermint cake, that might be more like enticing to me. But what I decided, or what I thought to do, is just like this is make the great cookies too. So the recipe on the side, all you need is 2 large eggs, oil, and powdered sugar, and then this box mix, and it makes the crackle cookies. And I love these crackle cookies. I made them homemade last year, although I believe I think I just made chocolate ones, not peppermint ones, but either way, those will be so delicious. So when I saw that, I had to pick it up. I still have the pumpkin loaf recipe, and I think I'm going to make the pumpkin muffins here soon. And I'll probably bring them to my boyfriend's work for Thanksgiving. But picked that up, long story short. Or I guess short story long. Chocolate covered pretzel twist assortment. I've seen this in the past, and I really wanted to get it, but just like the price is pretty expensive. Like I said, I'm popping up the prices here. I think this was like $7 or so. But we decided to pick it up because it has dark chocolate with peppermint candy chunks, which I love dark chocolate and peppermint. Dark chocolate with diced almonds and a dark chocolate drizzle. I would love this and enjoy this one. Milk chocolate with rainbow sprinkles is not something that I would enjoy. I'm not a huge milk chocolate fan. I'm not a huge sprinkles fan. But I figured that I could give this, like my boyfriend will eat those, and then I would eat these 2. And then obviously, like, he's welcome to have some of these as well. So we can share those. And if my boyfriend's parents come over, we can also share them with them. So I picked that up. I guess kind of continuing on with the chocolate, we picked this up. This is the taste test of caramels. I don't know if this is gonna be like a Christmas present. My boyfriend was with me and he saw this and he was like, ooh, that would be really good. So there's 12 different chocolates, and I believe like it tells you what they are, like toffee apple, stem ginger, vanilla, maple, double espresso, strawberry black pepper, hot chili, coconut, Himalayan salted, fig and honey, blood orange balsamic, butterscotch. So let's see, cut it into quarters and chill, insert toothpicks, and then have participants write their observations and what. So like that would be really fun. My boyfriend's mother is gluten-free and she like tries to be low sugar, so I don't know if that she would enjoy this, but we can maybe do it with them or just do it with us. But this was pretty cool. I think this was also like, I think it was like $5 or $6, but that's really unique and interesting. So we picked that up. Like I said, I don't know if it's a Christmas present or if it's just like something to have. This was something that he picked out. We don't normally buy these. I think we bought them maybe 2 or 3 times in the last couple of years. My boyfriend will enjoy those because, like I said, I'm not a huge dark chocolate fan. The dark chocolate ones are delicious though. We picked up these. So we picked up both versions of the JoJo's. We picked up dark chocolate covered peppermint JoJo's, and then we picked up just the regular JoJo's. And these are so good. I think it's better than the candy cane JoJo's. I think are better than like whatever version that the Oreos come out with. I think it's just like a peppermint one. But they're so good. This isn't the best price like for what you get, I would say. I think there's, let's see, there's 10 cookies in here versus in here there's, was that 16 times 2, was that 32 cookies versus 10 cookies, and I think they're about the same price, but they're just so good. So it's a treat. It's like treat yourself season, you know. This is definitely the season of time where you just let yourself have the chocolates and the candies and the cookies and all that. And then last but not least in the like chocolate section is this advent calendar. So I picked up one for my boyfriend that was from Big Lots. It's like a Mandalorian one. But I want a dark chocolate advent calendar. So if you know anywhere that has a dark chocolate advent calendar, let me know in the comments down below. I will try and find one. I don't know if I can just Google and try to find one, but this is only 99 cents, so I picked it up nonetheless to have an advent calendar. So cute. They have so many cute designs, so I picked that up. And then last but not least, the good stuff. I got this to make mimosas on Thanksgiving. So the day that I'm filming this, it is like the weekend before Thanksgiving. Today is the 21st, the Saturday. So I picked this up. I don't know, like we're not going to be back to Trader Joe's in the next week. And I feel like Trader Joe's has the best price for wine. I could be wrong. Obviously, I'm in different clothes now, so I don't know exactly what happened. I was filming like what you just saw, and there was no outro, which I normally film like everything in one long clip. So I don't know what happened, if it got cut short, if it got deleted. I have no idea what happened. So I just went to the grocery store and I picked up some things for Christmas. It's really small, but I thought I would add it to the end of the Trader Joe's haul. The Trader Joe's haul was filmed before Thanksgiving, and this is now before Christmas. I think it's funny. I think it was about like a little bit less than a week before Thanksgiving, and this is a little bit less than a week before Christmas. So let me take it to my counter and show you what I got for just about $20. Okay, this is everything. I think it came out to like 21 or 22 or something, but this is everything that I picked up. So starting off with this, I picked up some M&Ms. These are one of my favorite treats to make. I do it for every holiday. I wish I could have found like Christmassy M&Ms, like maybe just green and red, but I couldn't find any. But you just take the like butter snap pretzels or the regular, like I think they're just called snaps. And then you put either a Rolo, a peanut butter cup, or a Kiss on the pretzel, and you lay these all out flat on a cookie sheet. And then once it melts in the oven for like 2-3 minutes or so, you stick the M&M in. So it's a really good little snack. I made some of them, but I ran out of M&Ms. So I wanted to pick up some when I was at the store, so I picked up that. Picked up the ham. This is what we're going to be having for Christmas dinner. And this was an amazing price. So the tag says it is 9.655 pounds. And it originally was $2.99 a pound, which would have made it $30 almost. Then it was on sale for $1.99 a pound, making it $19.21. But I had a coupon in my app, like a digital coupon, like everybody has it, I'm pretty sure, that made the ham $8.39. It was 87 cents a pound. $8 for 9 pounds of ham. That is insane. Like over 9 pounds of ham. So I grabbed that. I grabbed this. This was just like a total impulse buy, but I think they sell this at Costco, and I think it's about the same price at Costco, but I don't think that we would finish one that's like, it's so thick. So I picked this up. My best friend's mom had this when I was over there, and it was so good. So we're gonna have this like as like appetizer-y for Christmas dinner. These are potatoes, Idaho russet potatoes. It was 99 cents for a 5-pound bag. And that's actually like why I don't know the exact price, because it was $2.49 on sale for 99 cents, but the coupon didn't like come off or whatever, so she had to like refund me, and so it was like a whole thing. So but I got that for the mashed potatoes. I always like to make homemade mashed potatoes for Christmas and Thanksgiving. Pretty much those were the only 2 times. I went pretty much just for this, and then like the ham and everything else was extra. But every week I seem to be getting a freebie coupon, and I keep forgetting to go because I don't shop at Safeway. It's kind of expensive in my opinion. WINCO is cheaper, but this was free. So I don't know how much it was originally, but I just grabbed the no pulp kind. I might grab some champagne for mimosa, which I just wanted to pause really quickly. That like wine that I got from Trader Joe's, I think it was a sparkling wine, was not good for mimosas. I like a sweet mimosa, and it was dry. So I'm hoping maybe I can just do some Googling and find, but I also don't want to spend a crazy amount. So if it's crazy, then I'll just use orange juice, like I'll just drink it. So resume video. Okay, moving on. This was also an impulse buy. This is not on my local WINCO, and it wasn't on sale. I found this at Grocery Outlet one time, and it was super cheap, which was nice, but this is like $4.69 for a bottle, and it just kills me. They had Coffee Mate on sale, but they didn't have any chocolate peppermint or like a mocha or anything like that. So pick this up. It is so good. It froths so well with my Nespresso pods. I absolutely love it. And then last 2 items I got were these Cokes. They were on sale for 99 cents a bottle, which is still a good price. And in Oregon, we have to pay a 10-cent bottle deposit, so it was 99 cents each plus the 10. But there was a coupon on my app that if you bought a full-sized ham, then it took $1 off. So I basically paid 98 cents plus 20 cents for 2 bottles instead of 1. So I thought that was a great deal. My boyfriend loves Coke as well. I am a Dr. Pepper girl, but I think the coupon was just on Coke specifically, so I grabbed those for him. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed. This concluded my Thanksgiving and Christmas hauls. I don't know if there'll be another video before the new year. So if not, have a happy Thanksgiving, have a Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year. I know Thanksgiving is way gone, but or any other holiday that you celebrate, have a happy holidays. And I will see you in the new year. Goodbye.